Welcome to springlib.
So for this problem, we want to use some properties of logarithms before we actually take the derivative. It's often easier to simplify the log, get it into its simplest form before we start taking derivatives. So what we have here is the natural log f of x equals the natural log of 1 over x. So when we have this, we will as a result have, this is the same thing as the natural log of x to the negative 1. With that in mind, we know that this is the same thing as negative 1 times the natural log of x, or just the negative natural log of x. That's just using properties of logs that we already know from before. But now we can differentiate this, and it's much simpler. When we take the derivative of this, we can pull out the negative because it's just a constant. It's a negative 1 essentially. So we know that f prime of x will end up equaling a negative 1 over x. And just to prove that we did this properly, we can take f prime of x, and we see that the graph matches, particularly right here. The graph will match. Again, because we manipulated the logarithm of it, it's going to change it will only match half of it. But since we did the proper steps, we see that this will be the derivative right here. And this partially matches what we're looking for, this blue portion right here.